Welcome back to Ladders Part B. So in the first episode we created the Climbable object script. In this episode we're going to create another script called cold disable. So we create a new folder and call it Climbable. Actually I'll call it climbing. And we move our Climbable object script into that. Jump into there, create a new C# script and call it cold disable. Okay, once that's compiled, open it up into Visual Studio and we start with the variables. So I'll get rid of the namespacing quickly. And we start with the variables. Okay, we've got a serialized field for box collider. This is the one we're going to hide, disable. It's the hidden collider at the top of the ladder. We've got a float for the dead zone, so how far down on the stick the player has to press before we disable the collider. And a reference to our player controller, so we're going to get rid of start because we need on enable method and we don't need the update method. We're going to just use on collision stay and on collision exit. So we can get rid of these and we'll start with the on enable method. Okay, that simply just gets the player controller. Then the other two methods, we've got an on collision stay, and what we're going to do is we're just going to check if y is below negative dead zone, so I've got a negative value. We're going to disable the box collider. And we've got an on collision exit 2D that is if it's the player, once the player's exited, it's going to enable the box collider again. So there's the variables, if you want to copy those down. And there's the Unity methods. Okay, we can save that. Jump back into Unity. We can now start attaching our scripts. So if we open up the scene frames, we'll go to the middle frame, the mesh, add the collidable object to it, untick ladder and lock to ladder. On the end frame, click on the ladder, drag the climbable object into it, and it wants a platform, collider and effector. So if we open the ladder up, drag the platform object into each slot. Okay, on the platform object you want to drag the cold disable script, then drag the platform into that. And hopefully, if we click play, we should have climbing and ladder climbing sorted out. So yeah, I can climb up there all okay. And we're up the ladder and down the ladder. I don't know why there's that tearing. It's not shown in there. Let's maximise it, see if it goes. No. Oh well, you might need to tweak the ladder prefab slightly. Let's have another look, see if it tears this time. Yeah, you just need to find out which frame it seems to be and just give it a tweak. I don't know if it's that one or not. Yeah, it was. So if I copy that, stop it, paste that back into there, and then apply all of those overrides on the ladder and on the mesh. One final check, and that should be climbable objects, ladders and things like walls, meshes, those kind of things. Yep, I can climb up to the top, slide back down, scoot through, run past the ladder. If I stop, I can climb up. So sometimes you get stuck, you just have to play with the collider and get that right. Okay, hope you found these two episodes useful. Once again, give us a thumbs up and hit the like button, and I will see you in the next episode.